car wash, yeah. Talking about the car wash. Talking about the car wash, yeah. I just want a picture in here. Oh, let's have a look under these lights. They're not coming into the car wash. Crumble's at the car wash, yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It is rather slippy in the car wash. Right, better get out of here. I don't want Gareth in the behind the counter coming in, do I? It's rather slippy at the car wash. Right. Oh yeah. Right, but I've got great news. So a bit of a teaser about the merch last time. It's here. It's here, and you can see I've besmirched my motorbikes with these stickers already. So first of all, where are you? Look what I've got. They're available. No beer in here, unfortunately. Got some wine gums though. They're available, people. There's a link in the description down below. Dave-themed beer koozies. What more could you want in your life, for God's sake? And not just that, but welcome to a new era of Crumble stickers. What have we got? We've got glossy pink. We've got forged carbon. We've got a lovely gold, and my favourite, the camo look. And you can see how they look on the bike. So they're transparent. Oh yeah, beautiful, sexual. So, link is in the description. The shop's live. Apologies if you live abroad, but sending packages, parcels abroad it's very expensive, I'm afraid, people. So, support the channel, support Mr. Crumble by purchasing your Dave-themed beer koozies and stickers. And I haven't done this for ages, but I used to absolutely love sending stuff around the world. I just found it incredible. Just getting envelopes ready, getting stuff ready, and sending it to Australia, Canada. Yeah, loved it. Made me feel absolutely great about things. So it's all about, if you're liking this stuff, if you're commenting, if you're subscribing, I'm going to keep doing it. Yeah, when you stop watching, I'll stop doing it. All right, people, I love you.